Hi everyone. This video demonstrates a relief knit with a cellular structure. It has amazing elasticity, a fine texture, and impressive elegance. The pattern consists of 4 loops and 6 rows, repeated with an offset. Here's the knitting sequence we'll be following. First, we'll work on 2 rows of bunny ears stitch, followed by 4 rows of rib stitch 2 by 2. Then, we'll repeat these 6 rows with an offset to create a cellular texture. A year ago, I presented a version that was easier to implement, without the bunny ears stitch, only altering the placement of the knit stitches. In contrast, today's version has better volume, more relief, and elasticity. Before starting the knitting, I will demonstrate the 2 techniques used in this pattern. 1. Bunny ears stitch. 2. Right and left leading swapping the places of loops. Bunny ears stitch creates a decorative figure. We will pull up 2 long loops from 2, keeping the structure centered. The pattern consists of 2 loops and 2 rows. The first row is on the wrong side. We pull up 3 loops back to front, 1 row down between the 2 main loops. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. Then purl 2 together. Again, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. Then purl 2 together. The second row is on the right side. Knit 2 together through the front twice. Again, knit 2 together through the front twice. Right and left leading swapping the places of loops. On the right, slip the first loops with a thread in front. Knit the second, exchange their places, and knit the first. On the left, knit the second, through the back, then knit the first. Let us return to the main part of the video. Start by casting on a multiple of 4 and add 2 edge loops. To begin, knit several rows of rib stitch 2 by 2. The first row is on the wrong side. Knit 1, make bunny ears. And knit 1. The second row is on the right side. We are on the second row of the bunny ears stitch. At the same time, we will switch the places of the loops with a slant to the right and left. To the right, slip the first with a thread in front, knit 2 together, exchange the places of the stitches, and knit the first. To the left, knit the second through the back, then knit 2 loops together. Again, slip the first with a thread in front, knit 2 together, exchange the places of the stitches, and knit the first. Knit the second through the back, then knit 2 loops together. Next are 4 rows of rib stitch 2 by 2. The third and fifth rows are on the wrong side. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Again, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. The fourth and sixth rows are on the right side. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Again, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Repeat these 6 rows with an offset. On this set of rows, the bunny ears figure is split at the beginning and the end of the row. One ear slopes to the left at the beginning and the other slopes to the right at the end. The 7th row is on the wrong side. We start the row with one bunny ear out of the scheme. Then the repeat pattern is, knit 2 and make the bunny ears. Again, knit 2 and make bunny ears. Finish the row with one bunny ear out of the scheme. The 8th row is on the right side. Start the row with one bunny ear out of the scheme. Then the repeat pattern is, slip the first with a thread in front, knit 2 together, exchange the places of the stitches, and knit the first. Knit the second through the back, then knit 2 loops together. Again, slip the first with a thread in front, knit 2 together, exchange the places of the stitches, and knit the first. Knit the second through the back, then knit 2 loops together. Finish the row with 1 bunny ear out of the scheme. Next are 4 rows of rib stitch 2 by 2. The 9th and 10th rows are on the wrong side. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Again, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. The 11th and 12th rows are on the right side. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Again, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. This knitting pattern creates a fabric with a unique texture, suitable for all-season garments and accessories made with any yarn. I hope you find it useful for your future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.